And, oh, I was getting ready to talk about the extra coaching Thea Hale has received, and Drew Gulak, Charlie Dempsey making the way out here. Is again looking for the Kimura lock, trying to cinch it in is Hale. It's easier for me to say.
You talking about what Thea Hale has been getting, that expert tool. You talking about Gulak and Dempsey, two guys working on Coach of the Year. Yes, check her out, man. She's looking good.
You talk about as champion, think about the recruitment. That would go through the roof for Chase U as Stratton finally maybe overpowering Hale in this moment. Champion right now really has been on the back.
Wow.
Look at this offense.
I'll tell you something, Vic. I didn't know Thea Hale just a couple of weeks ago. She's 19 years. She's still a kid, Vic.
Think about that. You know, this is the moment she's worked for. High school graduation was just last year. While her friend... Hale listening closely to those around her. Now she's going to have to remember the coaching as Stratton has certainly turned this matchup around in a hurry. And it was Stratton who said the underdog will not win here tonight. And Stratton now keeping the foot on the gas. Double stop almost through Hale. Falls into a cover. Wasn't able to retain. Right now we could be talking about a new queen in the division. That would be Thea Hale.
Let me tell you, Vic, Thea Hale couldn't be in better shape than prepared for this moment. But the thing is, how much can you really learn in such a short amount of time? That's the question.
Keeping the tradition alive, just like the Great American Bash. Oh! Senton got all of it. Cover for the title, and Stratton.
And right there, she's rolling as well as in the break. She's in total control. And Thea Hale almost changed momentum. Oh, here we go.
Through for a moment, trying to latch it in. Trying to turn Stratton back over. And there's Gulak and Dempsey.
That's coaching, Vic. That's coaching. That's all coaching right there.
Oh, Stratton. These are the coaching differences we were talking about. But Hale, center of the ring. Come on, Stratton tapping. Come on, ref. And the referee didn't see it because of Gulak. No, Stratton. No. Oh, Stratton steals it.
Here is your winner, and still the NXT Women's Champion,
Wow.
Tiffany Stratton.